Hi, welcome to our designer's den. I am Allie.
I'm Sam.
And we are not designers. I know this is designer's den, so what are we doing here? We are giving our designers a little break this week from the designer's den because the Labor Day holiday is coming up, so they're taking some time off. But at AFW, we don't take time off, which is why you've got us. We're here to tell you the best time to buy furniture, the best types of furniture to buy, and where you can find it. So we're helping you hack all of the Labor Day, savings events that are going on. One of the awesome things about AFW is, yes, you always get everyday low prices. So while it is our Labor Day savings event, we've still got the same low prices that you're gonna find all the time. However, we've got something special in store as well, and that's special purchases, which Sam, you can explain better than I can. I have tried so many times to explain special purchases, and I always do a terrible job.
Yeah, no, and special purchases, it's complicated, but it's not. So special purchases are just things, products, items from the factories that we get special from them. We have good deals with them, and they like us, so they give us special products exclusive to AFW, and we get to put our prices on there, and we're basically passing those savings down to you guys, which is really cool.
Yeah, these are exclusive items at exclusive AFW prices. We've been in business for 48 years. We have great relationships. That's kind of how we get to do this. We're also open right now. I was supposed to mention that at the beginning, that this is a work day for us, as every day of the week is, including Labor Day, so you can shop on Labor Day. No holidays here. So yeah, we've got some of our amazing customers that have been with us, hopefully for some of those 48 years, here right now. So yeah, hi, everyone. hello. Would you like to learn about special purchases? We're telling you right now. Something else that you can save on during our Labor Day savings event, mattresses.
Mattresses, yes. We have twin mattresses starting at $98, and you will never have to pay thousands of dollars for a mattress ever again. We just don't believe in that here. Why spend thousands when you can spend hundreds?
Yeah.
$98, that's an insane price for a mattress. So,
I think about like that old, image of people hiding money in their mattresses.
Oh,
like,
yes.
It's kind of what you're doing here. The money's baked right into the mattress because you're saving it.
Yes.
It stays in your bank account, so you don't have to stuff it into your mattress.
Oh, something else exciting that we have coming up, everyone has coming up, is football season.
Yes.
So we have an excellent selection of leather sectionals, sofas, not leather, just upholstery sofas, everything you could imagine here. That's going to be perfect for your game day, whether that's Saturday or Sunday, or both.
Sunday. I go with the pros.
I go Saturday, but
amateurs. Who cares about a Heisman, right? So all of the special purchases we were talking about, you can find those in every single category, including home entertainment, which is what you're going to use to set up your fan cave, sectional sofas, all of that. We've got these amazing prices, and now's the time to set up your fan cave, especially, I don't know, maybe you have like a special package that you got to watch all of these football games on. You need somewhere to sit while you're doing that. That's awesome.
Somewhere for you and your friends and your family. And
it's like your season ticket. And the staff there is probably a lot nicer, and you don't have to bring a clear bag to your house.
Yes.
So may as well outfit it like your own sporting suite. As you go online, you're probably looking around for where to buy furniture, the best place to save, how to get the best prices. AFW is the way you can always do that no matter what, and the way you can double up during our Labor Day savings event, get those everyday low prices, special purchases. It's awesome. We're not giving you design tips this week. We're just giving you tips on how to save money this holiday weekend, so you're welcome. If you do want those design tips, obviously you can head on over to afw.com. You can check out all of our Facebook Live videos. You can check out our YouTube page. Where else should people go?
Instagram. We just said Facebook. come into the showroom.
Obviously, that's where you're going to find the best stuff, is like
Yes.
coming into the showrooms. And yeah, we will be back with you next week with more design tips. So we've been talking a lot about everything that we've got at AFW for the Labor Day savings event, but we want to know what you're planning to buy this holiday weekend. If there's anything that you've been watching, prices you've been tracking, what it is that you want to know more about as far as specific savings on items are concerned. So like, what have you been tracking? What are you looking for? Is it mattresses? Is it special purchases? Are you waiting for the best deal on that sectional? Whatever it is, tell us in the comments below this video.
You can find everything we talked about during the Labor Day sales event here in the showroom or at afw.com.